More than assist.
One that looked just like this, but it was nowhere near the power. Nowhere
Right.
near the power, nowhere near the speed.
What'd you think?
I like it. This thing goes fast.
Go one more time. Go one more time. And go push down as fast as you can.
That's fun. That's good fun. Nice. God, that'd be great just to tool around. And I love how quiet it is too. That's a really good feature. That's fantastic. I have to buy one of these. This is so fun. Oh my God. Makes biking so fun. Wow. That is so great. That's so fun.
It goes,
It does go fast.
especially going up hills.
Yes.
That's my
What do you think?
It's tough, man. This thing takes off. It's got some good torque. It's like.
So what did you think?
Very nice. That was awesome.
This is awesome. I want one now, dude.